Welcome! Today I'm showing how to change icon shape on your STK LIFE 9. First of all, open your Play Store and find X icon changer application. I'll show you this one. I'm already downloading and installing, so click open. Wait a second for loading. Okay, and now need choose your application, what you want to change. Maybe phone application. Okay, choose this application, and then from library need choose your icon, maybe this one, new phone. Okay, in the top right corner we got OK button, so press it. Wait a second for generating new icon. Then click add automatically. And now into your home screen you got new phone icon application. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.